Thank you for stopping back by to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make cabbage, bacon, and purple potato soup. So I've already prepared the ingredients. I cooked the bacon and onions in vegetable oil and I sauteed it in a saute pan for about 15 minutes, and that is finished. This is what the finished product should look like. So we're just going to assemble the soup at this point, and I'm going to show you all these ingredients that go in. Feel free to post any questions in the comments section. These are the purple potatoes. I took the bacon grease that came off of the bacon and the onions, and then I cooked the potatoes for 20 minutes in a skillet. And then so those are finished already. So also here we have 1 teaspoon of salt, about a 1/4 a teaspoon or a 1/2 teaspoon, depending on how hot you like it, of pepper. And then I have about a teaspoon of chicken stock and a little bit of crushed red pepper. You want to be careful with the crushed red pepper if you have little mouths that you're feeding, because that can get very hot. I'm just going to throw this in here. And you can get purple potatoes at your local Whole Foods store. I have a subscription to Imperfect Foods, and that's where I got mine. And finally, this is our cabbage from the garden, and I've just cut that into about square size pieces, and we're going to throw that in. And so this, after we get this in here, this will all wilt down, and this is something that my mother cooked us when we were kids. It's very delicious and healthy. Okay, so then you're just going to stir this up, and I'm going to put this back on the heat and cook this on high heat and boil it for about 15 minutes. You can put it on simmer, and that's it. And you just put this in a bowl and eat it with a spoon. It's really good. Thank y'all for stopping back by. Please leave your comments, subscribe, and like our video. Have a great day.